Introducing Animated Lure. Animated Lure is a rechargeable robotic lure, the likes of which the world has never seen.
Once you place Animated Lure into the water, you'll notice it starts to swim on its very own, mimicking the swim patterns of real fish.
That's
Pretty cool.
If you think it swims like a real fish, what are the fish going to think? So why?
Why? Why spend so much time and money on traditional lures and live baits when you can use Animated Lure?
So how long does it hold a charge for?
So for different sizes, for the minis up to 45 minutes of swim. For the classic is an hour and a half. For the biggest one, you see the saltwater, the one that's in production right now, that's up to 2 hours.